Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Join me as I make this tasty chicken shawarma. I highly recommend you use chicken breast for this recipe. Season it properly, having it in mind that you'll be mixing this chicken with other vegetables. You don't want your chicken not to be tasty. Remember to add your preferred oil when mixing the spices. Cover it and set aside for 1 hour. I'll heat up some oil in the pan and then I'll fry my chicken on both sides until my chicken is nicely cooked and crispy. When it comes to making a perfect, tasty shawarma, there are 3 things that you have to keep in mind. That's the vegetable that you'll be using, chicken, and the sauce. So for this recipe, I'll be using cabbage, carrot, and onion. Believe me when I tell you that purple onion will take your shawarma to the next level. I'll be shredding these vegetables with my food processor. I really love how this food processor makes my life so easy. I'll be dropping a link to this food processor in my bio if you're interested to pick one for yourself. So at this point, our chicken is ready. In the same pan, I'll toss my sausage and I'll fry for a minute and set aside. I'll slice the chicken into smaller pieces and I'll set it aside. So as you can see at this point, we have prepared the essential part of our chicken shawarma. So it's time to combine every ingredient that we have prepped. Your cabbage, onion, carrots, and a sliced chicken. So it's time to combine everything. So at this point, I know you'll be wondering why we haven't made our shawarma sauce. Yeah, I know. Don't worry yourself, because we'll be using the store-bought cream. The combination of these 2 brands of chili mayonnaise will take your shawarma game to the next level. Just look at how creamy this mayo is. Mix it properly. Make sure you mix and incorporate this mayo very well. And trust me, you enjoy every single bite of it. I like using my shawarma bread. I'll spread the mayo on it. Then I'll fill in the chicken vegetable mixture. I'll fill it nicely, then add my sausage in the middle before rolling up the bread. Roll it carefully and set it aside. I'll repeat this according to the number of shawarma I want to make. After rolling it up carefully, then I'll toss each of them into a heated pan and make sure you toast both sides of the shawarma just like this. And at this point, your tasty chicken shawarma is ready. See how yummy this is. You can enjoy this with your family and friends. If you like this video, do not forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Bye.